Hey guys, welcome to my home tour. So I'm not actually going to show my entire house. I'm just going to show you the items that I'm using for Halloween / fall decor. As you can see, we're already stopping at a little Radon section. So this is a tiered tray. I can't remember where I got the tiered tray from, to be honest with you. But all of the cups and everything I have shown in videos. There's one that says magical, there's a wicked witch one, there's a drink up witches. Then you go up, and this is actually not a cup, it's like a little container. Then we've got two little pumpkins. We've got one that says spooky, trick or treat. We go up again, we have another drink up witches, and it's got the little legs in here. And then we've got a happy Halloween little pumpkin. Then back here, we've got our little plant eater thing that I found at Target, I think it was Target. And then now we're gonna go back down the tray. This bead thing, I actually made that, so we're down to here in the black and white bigger pumpkin here. I made this one using Dollar Tree pumpkins. Then we have my little Radon Boo pumpkin, as well as the countdown till whatever you're counting down till. It's got different things you can count down towards. You can count down towards Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas. And then we've got a little lamp here, and then we move over and we've got this little green pumpkin that says toxic. Got a Radon little cake tray thing that says Bewitched, and the tray itself has these little hats on it. So I thought to myself it would be cute to do something with this tray. My husband came up with a great idea to actually make the little hats that match the tray. So as you can see, we've got the orange and black one to match the orange and black one. We've got the purple and black one to match the purple and black one. We've got the green and black one to match the green and black one. And then we also have the red and white one to match the red and white one right here. And then I also made, using Dollar Tree materials, I made these using Dollar Tree materials as well as some clay. I made these little brooms to hang on this little stand here. And I've got another little witch hat here, and this one I think it turned out really cute because it kind of looks like it has a face in it. I don't know if you can tell or not, but it kind of looks like a face, so it reminds me of the Harry Potter sorting hat. And then we have another pumpkin that I actually made, so we have another one of the black check ones. Then we're down to here and we have some more black checks that I made. And then we have our little bat one I got from Target. Got some books here, some cookbooks. And then we have another little Target one, the black one with bats. And then we have a Radon little Eek pumpkin, a Dracula sandcastle. And then down here we have the black and white star pumpkin that I got from TJ Maxx, as well as another bat one. We've got my Radon tic-tac-toe set here, as well as another pumpkin that I made. And then we have these little jars of like fake poison, faux poison, I guess. Got bat's heart and arsenic. These came from Ross. They were like $3. And then I have my little gnome here. He's sitting, he says spooky. And then back across to the other side, I have another gnome, and he has a little broom and he says boo. So I figured he was perfect to go with my little witchy area. So, oops. So you guys might be able to see now, this is what the little witchy area looks like in my dining room. So this is in our dining area. And then as we scroll around to this way, you can see I have my table set up. I have some greenery as well as the little burlap table mats. The greenery is like something I purchased off of Amazon. And then we have our grateful metal pumpkin from Radon, and we have our blessed pumpkin. These are metal, so that one is Radon as well. And then on the ends here, I have salt and pepper Radon shaker. So there's a salt one, a pepper one behind it. And then all the way down here, we have another salt and pepper one. So they go both ways. And then there's like an overview of the table itself for sitting. These are not actual plates, they're chargers, so I don't mind leaving them out. These are chargers, and then I've got these little signs on each of the little chargers. We have thankful, we have gather, we have blessed, And this table is pretty old. We've had this table for a while, but I love it. It's what my kids ate at every night for dinner. So grateful and thankful and a gather. So now we're moving over to this way here. I've just got a little home sign and it's got a little metal pumpkin on it. This came from Lowe's. And then we have over in this area, we have these pumpkins we ordered from online. Tell me this guy does not look like Shrek. He looks just like Shrek. I'm like, oh my gosh, he looks like Shrek. And then we have another funny looking one here. I didn't do a whole lot on this counter because this is our kind of like our Tesla area. So we have the Tesla tequila or Tesla, is it? I think it's tequila. I don't even know. And then we have these little cars I purchased to go for it with my husband's Tesla alcohol. These little cars, little Tesla cars, they're like cups you can use. And then we have another pumpkin, but he's the same, so they messed up and sent me two of the same. I'm still waiting on more of these pumpkins to come in the mail. They haven't all arrived yet. Then we have another one. This one, he looks very sick. He looks like he may have gotten food poisoning or something. I'm not sure. So there's the overview of that one. And then we're going to scroll around here. And I've got just a couple more little things over here. I've got a little pumpkin down in here. This one is just a gold one. And then we've got some Radon little boxes stacked, and we have a Hello Pumpkin. We have a Radon gnome that says give thanks. And then we have a thankful one made out of hyacinth. I think it's hyacinth. I'm not sure. So that is that area. So this is my dining area. So now you know how the dining area looks. I don't like a whole lot of clutter, so my dining area stays pretty clean. I don't like a bunch of stuff in the way. I just want the table and just a couple little pieces here and there. So here's what it looks like. Okay, so let's move on to a different area. Okay, now we're in a different room. This is like I call it the big window room, and you'll see why here in a minute. So I'm just not sure what to call this room. So we have a thankful sign here. We have this is actually, oh my gosh, what is this stuff called? Forsythia? I think it's forsythia branches. I have some of those. This doesn't really go with fall, but I like the color. And then we have over here, we have a little pumpkin, and this one lights up. And then we have a little decor item back there. Then we have a little thankful Radon sign. And then moving along, we have a pumpkin everything little pillow with the Home Sweet Home throw. And then moving over to this way, we have a gnome that says cozy, and he is made out of ceramic. And then we have a Radon book sack that says love, faith, and hope. And then we have a happy harvest little sign here. And then I have just a basket of some pumpkins. Some of these I've made, some of these I've purchased from Target. I've made both of the ones in the middle. The two on the outer side are the ones I purchased from Target. We have another gnome, and he says hello autumn. Now moving along here, there's not a whole lot of Radon stuff, but this is just how I have it decorated. We have a Hocus Pocus little throw. And then moving along to here, we're gonna start at the bottom. So down here we have some Radon pumpkins. These are pink actually, so I don't think the camera is just like showing you something wrong. They're actually pink. And then the pumpkin season little glass container is actually a candle that I recycled the container. And then moving up, I have a welcome sign back there, and that one actually came from, I can't remember. Target, not Target, but TJ Maxx probably. And then we have a gold pumpkin from TJ Maxx, and then we have a thankful Radon pumpkin. And then moving up to here, we have the fall little squirrel. I think he's so stinking cute. And then moving up, we just have some little wood pieces, the little tree. I think it's kind of like the tree of life is what I look at it like. I don't know what it actually is. Then we have the Radon cornucopia with the two gold pumpkins accenting the container. And then let's see, there's the big window I was telling you guys about. There's a big old window there. And then we have another little wooden pumpkin set. This came from TJ Maxx like last year, I think it was. And then let's see, oh, I know I can show you this. So we also have the little skeleton one that I purchased for the bar area. We use it with our Bartesian. So if you guys have never seen a Bartesian, they're absolutely amazing. Highly recommend that you look into one if you like to celebrate with family, like have some drinks with your family. It's kind of like a Keurig. So you get little things here you can actually use with it. So it's very cool. All right, so now moving up to the mantle, we have some little Radon Pumpkins. I need to actually add some stuff to these because I think there's one that's broken. Yeah, this one here, the thankful one, is actually broken. So I need to, you'll see, I'm gonna add some of the raffia, like this one has on it. I'm gonna add some of that onto the others to kind of cover up where it's broken. And then moving along onto the mantle, we have just a little clock. We have a grateful Radon Pumpkin. We have a gather Radon Pumpkin and a pumpkin spice one. So there's the mantle. I didn't want a whole lot on it. I want it to be a little bit more simplistic. So here's what the mantle looks like when you step back. And that is the mantle. And then we have our picture, and then as well as the Bartesian area. And then on the center area here, we just have a little, I probably should have dusted that off, but I didn't. We have a happy fall y'all little gnome, as well as a happy fall y'all little pumpkin. So super cute. And then we've got two pumpkins like flocking at the fireplace, I guess that's what you could say. And then back around to this side, we have just a wreath, and it's got just a couple pumpkins in there, so just to make it look fallish. So here is the overview of this room and Molly. So there's the overview. Like I said, I don't like a whole lot of furniture crowding up my rooms. I like things very simplistic. Okay, moving on to this area here, we have just some books, a little stack of books that I got from Target, and then some more little Radon Pumpkins, grateful, thankful, blessed. And then moving along here, we have some more little pumpkins, and these just say gather, hello fall, and pumpkin spice. The same ones that were on the mantelpiece, but I just used them in a different way. And then if you look in this area here, I have just this little lamp. This is like a little corner, and there's a little lamp here sitting in a suitcase. I think the suitcase is cute. We have a little pumpkin here, and we also have another Radon Pumpkin here. Now we're in like the living room area. So this is another Radon blanket that says pumpkin everything, which, I mean, hello, I love pumpkins. And then we have just a little pumpkin back here. That one came from Ross. And then we have a cheers, which is a little stack of little coasters. Like I said, very simplistic. I don't like a whole lot of clutter. So we have, there's this couch here, and this couch has a little throw across it as well. This one has the little trucks on it, and of course, some Radon pillows. And then, let's see. All right, moving to the same living room. We're still in the same living room. Max and Molly are sitting there. And we have just this little apple cider sign with some sunflowers and this container. This container is actually something that came from my husband. His grandfather used these, and so we decided to decorate our home with them. They're kind of spread throughout our home. We have a little white pumpkin here. And then up on the mantelpiece, I have this little swag thing. It actually was 3 swags, I think. I don't know what it was, but yeah, I tore it apart and made it into a garland thing for my mantelpiece, and I added pumpkins here and there, but it's very simplistic, just a white little piece here. And then down through here, we have a little firewood thing. We have Max and Molly's bed, of course. You probably could have guessed, it's Radon. Okay, now we're in the kitchen, so you can see it looks down into the living room. So we have a little Radon pumpkin here. This one actually opens up, it's a container, so you can open that one up. Then I have my little Radon acorns sitting in this basket that came from Bed Bath & Beyond. And we have a little harvest Radon thing with a little spoon attached. So that one's super cute. And we're still in the kitchen, and this is just a little, I probably should have turned more lighting on, but I didn't. So here's just a little, it's like a Lazy Susan. Oops, my fingers are in the way. It's just a little Lazy Susan. So you can spin it around. So it's what I leave on like the kitchen table area. So when we're eating dinner, we can use that for like taco night. Now we're in the sunroom. So we do have a sunroom as well. So the sunroom has another couch. So we have more pillows that are already done. We have quite a few dog toys. And then we have this little basket here. I filled it full of not Radon, but like little Dollar Tree pumpkins. I need to make myself a new, what is that, wreath? I need to make a new wreath to go in there. I make all the wreaths for my house, so I need to make a new one for that. Okay, in this area, we just have a little pumpkin. Welcome to our pumpkin patch sign. We have a little home sweet home. We have a pumpkin here with a little bird cage thing. And then we also have a pumpkin over there. So we have 2 pumpkins. So I'll give you overview of this room now. So here is overview. Okay, we're back in the kitchen. So I have this wreath here. This one actually, I did not make this, but I think it's super cute. It's just pumpkins and flowers. I love it. I think it's super cute. This is like a utility closet. That's where all the cleaning supplies are at. Then we have a little Radon clock hanging here for fall. And then we have over this way, we have my coffee center. So we have a little morning pumpkin sign that came from Target. We have a tea pumpkin that's Radon. And then we have a little pumpkin latte little mug that sits here. And then above this is just a lot more coffee mugs. You guys know how many mugs I have purchased. So I've collected quite a few of the Radon mugs. All right, lastly, the thing I wanted to show you guys is when you first enter our home, we have this little pumpkin here, which he's not gonna stay there. I'm just waiting till it gets closer to Halloween before I put it outside, so I'll leave it inside for a while. And we just have this little pumpkin here. And of course that goes into the rooms that you've already seen. So this room takes you into those rooms. So that is it. That's everything I wanted to share with you guys on my little fall home tour. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you would like to see a Christmas home tour because I go way overboard for Christmas. I may not do as much for fall, but I'm telling you, for Christmas, my entire house will look like a Santa's workshop. So anyway, that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.